Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and dear learners, once again, welcome in today's lecture. Today, we have reached at lecture 4B. So, let's start. Because competency is vocabulary and grammar, lecture number 4B. So, this is our SLO. Use familiar sentence patterns using knowledge of syllables. Mark vowel sounds in a word. Identify the silent letters, prefixes, suffixes, and root words to decode it. Pronounce it correctly and reading fluently. So, dear learners, this is a very long SLO. So, it has told us about so many things. First of all, it is telling us about what sentence. Look at this familiar sentence patterns. At number one, we have to tell about sentence patterns using knowledge of syllables, then vowel sounds, then silent letters, prefixes, suffixes, and root words. These are the things which we are going to discuss and try to understand all these things through this SLO in this lecture. So let's start. This is brainstorming activity. Can you think of long or new words you find difficult to read? Can you think of long or new words you find difficult to read? Yes, definitely. This statement links us with the topic. How do you usually understand the sounds or meaning? How do you usually understand the sounds or meanings? This statement is also connecting us with the next part of this SLO. Now, move to the next part. Yes, dear learners, now we have reached our main topic. Our today's main topic is word decoding and fluent reading. This is the purpose of this is the topic. Now, yes, what is familiar sentence patterns? Common ways of words in which this is the simplest definition of sentence patterns. Common ways of words in which they are arranged in sentences. They help us read fluently and understand meaning. For this purpose, this is the basic definition of familiar sentence patterns. Now, look at the example. First one, the first pattern, the first simple sentence pattern is subject, verb, and object. Now, this is the example according to this sentence pattern. Ali plays football. Next one, number two pattern, sentence pattern is first of all subject, after that verb, and then adjective comes. Now, the example is here the sky looks bright. And number three, this is the three number pattern of the sentence subject, verb, and adverb. She runs quickly. So, dear learners, this is very evident, very clear that there are three basic simple sentence pattern which we have discussed at this grade level. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, now we are able to know about syllable. What is syllable? Syllables, parts of a word said in one beat or one sound. When we pronounce or say any word, and a word has maybe has one beat, two beat, or three beat, or we can say that one sound, two sound, or three sound. The basic sounds, the basic beat of any word is called syllable. Now, look at the examples. Here, the word is unhappy. The word is unhappy. If we divide its beats or sounds, so this word will be divided into three beats or three sounds like unhappy. So this is three syllable word. The next example is brightening. This word is also divided into three syllables, bright in ing. And the next one is cat. Cat is just one syllable word. So it helps. So syllables help us. Breaks words into small parts for easier reading or understanding. So, dear students, now I hope you have a clear knowledge about what is syllable. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, what are silent letters? Silent letters, letters not pronounced in a word. They comes, physically come, but they are not pronounced during the pronunciation. Now, look at the examples. Like the word is night. Night, here is the word, and you are looking at in the spelling, the word, the letter came K, but not in the pronunciation. So, this is the silent. Here is a silent. So, silent K. Right, RITE, right. W is silent here. And now, honest. So, H is silent in honest, right? These are the examples in this picture as well. So, silent letters help us avoid mispronunciation and read fluently. These are the two main purpose of silent letters, and in this way silent letters help us to pronounce the words correctly and avoid confusion. So move to the next slide as well. Now we have reached at prefixes. You know very well prefix is the combination of two words, pre and fix. Pre mean before and fix mean attach. So the prefixes letters added at or attached at the start of a word to change meaning. Such type of the letters are called prefixes. For example, unhappy. So happy is the root word and un is a prefix that is attached before the root word. Not happy. This is the meaning. Redo, re and do. Do is the root word and re is the prefix. It means do again. Dislike, dis and like, not like. Dis and like. It means not like. This is the prefix and like is the root word. So these are called prefixes. So, dear learners, these are prefixes and how they work in a sentence and how they come in a sentence. Now, move to the next slide as well. Suffix. After understanding prefixes, we have reached at suffixes. Suffixes, letters added at the end of a word to change form or meaning. For example, yes, the same case. Example, brightening, bright in ing. Yes, these two are this one is suffix. Suff mean after. And these are the letters which are attached or linked at the end of the root word. The root word is bright, and in and ing are the suffixes which are attached at the end of this root word. Becoming bright, this is the meaning. Carefully. Care is the root word, and full and ly. These are the two suffixes which are attached with carefully. Yes, now this is the meaning in a careful way. So, dear learners, I think so. Now you have got and understood the topic very clearly. What is suffix? Now, move to the next slide as well. Root words. Yes, the third part of any English word, root word, and this is called as the backbone of any word. Root words, base part of a word giving main meaning. Now look at the examples. Happy. Happy is the base word. It is the root word. It is called root word. Without root word, there should be no meaning. Brighten is the, in this word brighten, bright is the root word. Playful, the root word is play. It helps, means root words help decode new words quickly, connect prefixes and suffixes. So, dear students, this is all about what? Root word. Now, move to the next slide and let's have what is next for us. Yes, how decoding helps fluency. How decoding helps fluency. Break words, this is called decoding, into syllables mark vowel sounds, identify silent letters, find prefixes, suffixes, root words. The benefits of decoding is pronounce words correctly, read smoothly. Yes, these are the benefits of decoding words. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, how decoding helps fluency. The benefits. What are the benefits? Understand meanings and build confidence as well. And look at the examples. The same examples are here. Unhappy, unhappily. Prefix un, it means not. Root word is happy, it means happy. Suffix is ly, in a way, it means pronunciation is what? Unhappily. Unhappily. So you have look at the practical example of decoding any word. They are very helpful in pronunciation, in fluency, and by dividing, we can understand and know exactly about the word. Now, move to the next slide. So, on the next slide, there are simulation for you people to enhance your understanding through these unmatched resource. Now, worksheets are attached with this as well. Resources are there, PPTs along with worksheets, skill sheets, lesson plans, and question banks there for you for getting advantage. So, dear learners, I'm really very thankful to you people for listening this lecture and enhancing your knowledge about this topic. Now, we have reached to the point. At this point, we say goodbye to you and wait the next topic, the next lecture tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.